Hey everyone, Bob here from POMPR.com. Whatever cinematic vision you're trying to bring to life, POMPR Pro is the one application you'll need to build perfect text-based prompts from any AI image or video engine you want to use. Now, before you can begin crafting your story, you'll want to understand how the interface is set up. This is what POMPR looks like when you first load it up. The POMPR Pro V2 interface is designed so you don't have to type. You just point and click. The interface is set up in panels. The first panel is the blue-colored scene rig. This is the where your image takes place. There are 24 scenes by default that you can use right from the start. Click on any scene button and it immediately shows up in the prompt window in the right-hand panel in blue type. Next, let's look at the orange character panel. This is the who in the image. There are 25 default characters at your disposal. Click on any of them and they immediately appear in orange type in the prompt window. Now we come to the action matrix. This is where you get to direct the action in your scene. The first item is the base action category. Select one of these buttons to make your character move or pose the way you want. Each category you choose displays a different set of actions in the second item, which is the what is the subject physically doing? This is where you can refine the action to reflect the category you choose. The next item is the mood. This is where you get to determine the behavior of your character. You can make them calm or happy, focused, scared, angry, or confidently powerful. The emotional intensity slider is the real power behind the action matrix. Slide that bar from low to medium to high and see the mood of your character change in the prompt window. The green type displays the action and intensity you choose. Let's say you want to use an action that isn't in the matrix. You can add your own action by clicking on the Type Custom Action button here. This allows you to add any action you want to the prompt. Make sure you press Enter so the matrix can access it. Your custom action works with the mood and intensity slider as well. As you slide that emotional intensity bar up, it's immediately reflected in your prompt. Now look at that prompt. You have your orange character, the green action, and the blue scene. That color coding helps you understand how the prompt is set up. In just a few clicks, you've made a fully functioning professional prompt that can work with any AI image generator that accepts texts, and it's easy to edit or tweak anything you want. Let's say you looked at your prompt and you want to change something in your character's outfit, or their hair color, or something in the scene. This is where you can click on the Auto Mode button in the upper right corner of the prompt window, and it changes to the red Manual Mode button. The type in the prompt window turns to white to let you know that you can edit it. Change your character's hair color, or their jewelry, or their outfit, or the time of day, or the location, whatever you want. You're the director. Just remember, the manual mode is not permanent. If you make changes to your prompt and hit the manual mode button, or a different scene or character button, your prompt will revert to the color-coded version and all your edits will be lost. So to avoid losing your work, be sure to hit the Export Text button here. This will save your prompt as a plain text file to your computer that you can refer to whenever you need it. When you're ready to try out your prompt, click on the big blue copy button below the prompt window. Your prompt is now copied to the clipboard. Head over to the AI image generator of choice, whether it's Google Flow, Midjourney, ChatGPT, Flux, Grok, whatever is your fave. Paste in your prompt and hit generate. POMPR makes it easy to try out different scenarios, characters, and actions quickly. And the best part is, it's free to use. No subscriptions, sign-ups, or credit cards. Just free. I'd love for you to try it. If you make something awesome, show us your creations. Check the description below to find our quick submission link. If your image gets selected, we'll feature your art right in the official POMPR gallery. Once you have the basics down, you can hit the Shop button to check out our premium expansion reels. I'll be sharing a deep dive on how to add the scenes, characters, and custom actions to your directorial setup in an upcoming video. I'm Bob, and I'll see you in the director's chair.
We're dancing and chopping, I haven't a clue. This salad is lovely. I made it for you.